pretty basic packaging. That's because it's a refurbished model, which is fine by me. Just means it's been tested twice. I think they're pretty cool looking. EVGA did a good job. And then we'll go ahead and use this as a makeshift case, because this happens to fit rather nicely in these little grooves. And without a case, we want to make sure this video card is well supported. Normally it would screw in, have some extra support. Alright, so I want to make sure this tab is open. Some of them bend. This one actually, it just slides. So just slide it out. Basically, I'll make sure that these guys line up.